The idea started with my bachelor thesis in product design in Costa Rica because I was trying to tackle the problematic of pesticide use in farming. Why? Costa Rica has a very sustainable image around the world. It's a very green country, it's true, but unfortunately is one of the biggest users of pesticide proportionally. And this is directly related to the rates of stomach cancer in the country that are one of the highest in the world. So how can we provide food to citizens with no pesticides? Well, using groundless methods like hydroponics, you can produce food in indoor environments that don't use chemicals. So I got inspiration from nature strategies to reduce space while keeping energy efficiency, and based in strategies like the hexagons that bees use for building their honey beehives, I designed a system that is using the minimum inventory for the maximum diversity. So nature was the inspiration for the developing of the first version of the design, and it was then the starting point for everything that happened afterwards. Well, we have developed a product that doesn't require people living in cities to have experience, to have space, and to have time. So the system is a customizable, easy to use, and automated indoor garden that you can install in your business or your home, and it will grow a variety of products for you. You don't have to worry about anything, and it will be connected to the user through an application so that we make farming something fun. If by 2050 80% of the population will live in cities, who is going to farm the fresh products that we are demanding for in dense cities? The idea is to make farming educative, to make it fun, and to make it digital so that we can create interest from younger generations. Well, it will definitely contribute with for their nutrition, because hydroponic products are 150% more nutritious than traditional farmed products. And the system is not going to be able to feed one person completely, but it will allow the customer to have fresh products in their diet, and it will also change the dietary habits of its user. So it's not only a product that gives you the opportunity to grow healthy food, but it also changes your lifestyle. It brings you close to nature, and it also makes you more aware about the food that you are consuming. So we are using recycled plastics for the moment for the prototyping and development of our products, and we have been gathering feedback from a lot of persons that have been looking at our products in fairs or installations, and we are now redesigning our current system for implementing sustainable materials that can be incorporated in a circular economy model. So materials that come from the wastes of other industries and have a very nice decorative appearance for being placed where you live. We are now focusing in the B2B sector, especially restaurants, offices, and hotels that have a very strong sustainability image. We want them to offer this produce to their customers, but also their employees. So they will not only find a tool of marketing, but also an activity that can engage their employees, that can educate their customers, and of course they will be able to offer fresh products as well on site. The system is very decorative, so we will promote ourselves when we place the systems in our customers' sites. The next step would be an expansion to the B2C market with our product, consumer product. We are planning its go-to-market by the end of next year, and this will be a more compact version of the product based on the same technology and on the same parts as well. We are a team of 4 co-founders. We are designers, engineers, and gastronomes from the top universities in Italy, like Politecnico di Milano. We haven't had a seed round yet. We are waiting for next year for the industrialization of our product. We are calculating to raise around 500,000 euros, and we have been running from awards and grants that we have gathered in the last years. For example, the Biomimicry Institute in the US helped us out with an accelerator program, and the fund, an initial fund that we have used for the prototyping and development of our products. We are now running a crowdfunding campaign on a European Union platform. Part of Horizon 2020 project is called Katana, and we are offering our systems for sale with a reduced price. Also to customers that have experience and businesses that can provide us with their feedback to improve our products. We are raising 10,000 euros, and you can also donate smaller amounts when you pledge in the platform. You can find all the information in our website, hexagrourbanfarming.com, and feel free to ask all the questions you would like. Our team will provide you with additional information. Well, now we are developing the system for B2B. We are closing deals with our first pilots. Now we have Accor Hotels chain already confirmed. We are developing a new pilot with Raiffeisen here in Zurich. We are in the talks with some consumer goods suppliers as Kopbau and Hobby for the commercialization of our industrial product. And one of the reasons we came here to Switzerland is to find, of course, new business opportunities and go to market as soon as possible. Well, after having a robust industrialized version of our business configuration, we will develop the consumer product, but it's not going to stop there. We are also developing concepts for the farming of mushrooms, of insects in urban environments. We are also going to address the industrial vertical farming market in the upcoming years. And the biggest vision would be to design products to grow food in space. So we are now in the talks with ESA to go for an incubation program and develop technology for the growth of fresh food in space. First of all, we have redefined our business model. We have now a strong business plan in which we will address different customers in different stages. We have now closed a pilot with one of Kickstart partners, Raiffeisen, and we will install a system in their innovation offices next year with a service for the maintenance of the system, and this will allow them to not worry about anything. We are also expanding our network of experts and institutions that can help us with the research and development of our product. And we are also starting talks with business angels and venture funds in Switzerland.
Felipe, thanks a lot for your time.
Thanks a lot to you.